Alright folks, today I'm in Chillon Castle in Montreux and I'm just doing a wee quick video. Jacqueline's downstairs so it's a bit limited for us, so I'm just doing a wee quick video to show you about the place. So here we go. It's quite a nice wee castle. I thought I'd start upstairs and work my way down. I think there's loads of wee nooks and crannies. You can see. There's a wee hidden passage I was in earlier, see if I can find it.
If you make a huge opening, use a lot of heat, so you smoke. Speaking about heat, we have this typical sort of oven.
And here it is, a wee dark corridor. When I was down earlier there was people in front of me and it made it even darker. I'm ducking down, I fear I'm going to hurt my head. I'll see what's down here. That's a beautiful castle. Is it? Oh, this must be where the furniture. You need to forgive me, I don't know much facts about this castle. So it's just a wee quick video just showing you what it's like. And it has to be the nicest castle I've ever been in. It's really, really nice. I'm wondering where this takes us. What's that?
Wait a second, no, I'm not for. You need to take it.
There's Jacqueline up here. Mine's now wearing her okay bar buttons. Right. I'll start in here. It's a kind of courtyard, quite nice. Let's see what's in here. This is all kind of new stuff that's been added to the stairs. I mean. I didn't realise this was going to go as high as it is. It's up and down and round and round. Oh, it's quite a climb. And there's more to go. Crossbows and sword. this is serious. I was disappointed. Back down again. Nothing there to see. Oh well. Oh. No, that's the hardest bit over with. Should have had a drink of juice before I started this. It's a wee bit dry.
Ça commence à devenir un peu vieux, il mélange les prénoms. Ça me rassure. C'est à chaque fois. Toi aussi.
Oh, it's only half up and down, round and round. It's quite a maze. Oh, the sweat. Oh. Oh, too many people walking away. It'd be good to come early and see it. That is beautiful, it's an absolutely beautiful castle. There's a wee cafe outside it.
Hey, go. GoPro.
I have to say, I'm quite impressed with Swiss architecture. It's just so nice. Oh, we carpeted bit. Now, I think there's a cellar. I'm going to try and find a cellar. Dark. Oh. Need to find a cellar. Not sure that's what. Merci. Let's see if we can find a cellar. Oh, this looks like it. Oh, that's okay. No problem. This reminds me of the Tower of Pisa. There's no space for like 2 people to get past. We're not waiting as long as you're on the Tower of Pisa. But it's the cellar. Let's see. What must the health and safety guys be thinking when they built this? This is quite cool to see actually. Oh, cool. Good projectors. It's a nice wee feature. Must be subsidence or something there. With the scaffolding. Must be like a vine cellar. Well folks, that's the Château de Chillon. Probably not one of my best tours, but maybe a bit I'll try to do that. The amount of stairs and that. And we've just walked over for basically Freddie Mercury Hotel. Did a Queen Studio experience, had a wee shot in the casino, then walked over here, so it's been a long day so far. And we've got to make our way back, but I think we'll use the Montreux Riviera card and get the train back, but we'll see what time it is. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and look forward to sharing my next videos with you. Take care. Bye.